In a safe little cave lives a scared little elephant named Tembo. Tembo is scared of many things: loud noises, high places, butterflies, and even his own shadow. One early morning, a fire starts because someone did not put out their campfire properly. How dangerous! The fire spreads quickly and scares all the animals. Zara is very curious. She goes to look at the fire but gets trapped by the flames. She cannot escape. How dangerous! Tembo sees the fire from far away. He feels very scared. He is extremely afraid of fire. Then he hears Mazu shouting, "Tembo! Zora needs our help!" Tembo starts to cry. "I'm not brave enough. I'm too scared." That's when Mazu reminds him that it's okay to be scared. Being brave doesn't mean that you are not afraid, says Mazu. It means that you act even though you are afraid. Then Tembo remembers that elephants can suck up a lot of water with their trunks. Tembo runs to the river, fills his trunk with water, and rushes to help Zara. He sprays the water over the fire, and the flames disappear. Zara is safe. Later, as the sun begins to set, it starts raining. And all the other animals are safe. Thank goodness. That day, Tembo learns a very important lesson. Being brave doesn't mean that you are not afraid. It means that you act even though you are afraid. To watch more stories, just visit our YouTube channel. All stories are in the present, past and future tenses, also available in various languages. How great! Also, members of the Abuti Academy get access to workbooks and much more. Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com